Welcome to aminacademy.com. Let us discuss about social psychology of sport. Sports psychology mean applying psychological theories and concepts to aspects of sports such as coaching and teaching. Sports psychology is the study of how psychology influences sports, athletic performance, exercise, and physical activity. Sports psychology is a proficiency that uses psychological knowledge and skills to address optimal performance and well being of athletes. Developmental and social aspects of sports participation and systemic issues associated with sports settings and organization. Sports psychology means applying a psychological theories and concepts to aspects of sports such as coaching and teaching. Sports psychology is concerned with analyzing human behavior in various types of sport settings. It is individual behavior, acting individually, and acting in a group. The sports the sports psychologist uses psychological assessment techniques and intervention strategies in an effort to help individuals to achieve their optimal performance. Sports psychology is an applied psychology with three major activities such as clinical, educational, and research. Now, let us discuss further about sports psychology. Social psychology of sports examines how individuals' thoughts, feeling, and behavior are influenced by the presence of others in sports settings. It explores the social interactions, relationship, and group dynamics that impact athletic performance and the overall experience of sports participation. This field draws from social psychology to understand how social factors affect athletes, coaches, and team. Group dynamics. This includes topics like team cohesion, leadership, and the impact of group size and performance. The social In social psychology, group dynamics in sports refers to the interaction and processes that occur within and between sports teams. It encompasses various factors like team cohesion, leadership, communication, and social support, all of which influences the performance and overall experience of athletes. Understanding these dynamics is crucial for coaches and athletes to build effective team and achieve success. Coach athletes relationship. Examining the quality of the relationship between coaches and athletes, including communication, trust, and motivation. The social psychology of sports highlights the crucial role of the coach athlete relationship in athletes' development and performance. This relationship, characterized by closeness, commitment, and complementarity, significantly impact an athlete's motivation, satisfaction, and overall well being. Understanding and fostering a positive coach athlete relationship is paramount for effective coaching and positive sport experiences. Social influence. Understanding how social pressure, norms, and expectation affect athletes' decisions and actions. The social influence in sports psychology refers to how the presence and actions of others affect an athlete's behavior, thoughts, and emotions. These influences can come from various sources like coaches, teammates, parents, and even spectators, shaping an athlete's motivation, performance, and overall experience. Aggressive and violence. Investigating the social factors that contribute to aggression and violence is in sport. In the Social psychology of sports, aggression and violence are significant areas of study, with aggression defined as behavior intended to harm another person physically or psychologically, and violence being a specific forms of aggression involving illegal physical acts. These behavior can stem from various factors like frustration, modeling of others, and expectation of rewards. The intensity of competition, personal traits, and social learning also play a role. Audience effects. Studying how the presence of spectators influences athletes' performance and behavior. In sports, the audience effect refers to how the presence of spectators influences an athlete's performance. While supportive crowd can boost performance through increased arousal and confidence, a hostile or critical audience can lead to anxiety and decreased performance. The impact of the audience is complex and depends on factors like a athlete's skill level, the task's difficulty, and individual personality traits. Motivation. Exploring the social factors that influences athletes' motivation, such as goal setting, intrinsic and extrinsic rewards, and social support. In social psychology of sports, motivation is a key area of study, examining why individuals engage in the persist with sports participation. It explores both the internal factors like enjoyment and skill development and external factors like rewards and social recognition that drive athletes. Understanding motivation is crucial for enhancing performance, promoting well being, and fostering a positive sports environment. Anxiety and stress. Examining the social factors that contributes to anxiety and stress in sports and how athletes cope with these challenges. In the realm of sports, anxiety and stress are significant psychological factors that can impact an athlete's performance and well-being. Understanding the social psychology of these factors is crucial for coaches, athletes, and sports psychologists to foster optimal performance and positive experience. Cross cultural issues. Investigating how cultural differences impact the social dynamics of sports. Social psychology of sport grapples with how culture influences the athletes' behaviors, motivations, and well being. Cross cultural issues arise because what motivates or affects an athlete in one culture might not in another. This field explores these differences to understand how culture shapes athletes' experiences and optimize sports psychology practices for diverse population. Maltreatment and abuse. Addressing the social issues of maltreatment and abuse is in sports settings. Maltreatment and abuse in sport encompass physical, emotional, sexual abuse, and neglect, often occurring with the coach athlete relationship and sometimes involving organizational structures. These experiences can have severe psychological consequences for athletes, including trauma, relationship issues, depression, and even suicidal thoughts. Understanding the social dynamics, including the sport ethics and athletes in identity, is crucial for identifying and preventing maltreatment. The social psychology of sports has practical applications in various areas, improving athlete performance. By understanding the social dynamics of teams, coaches can create more effective strategies for motivation, communication, and cohesion. Enhance athletes' well being. By addressing issues like anxiety, stress, and maltreatment, social psychology can contribute to more positive and supportive environment for athletes, promoting for fair play and ethical behavior. By understanding the social influences that contribute to aggression and violence, interventions can be developed to promote ethical and respectful conduct in sports. Notable figures in the field: Coleman R. Griffith, widely considered the father of sports psychology in the United States, he established the first research laboratory focused on the psychology of sport. Sophia Jovett and David Lavelli, editors of Social Psychology in Sport, a prominent text in the field. In essence, the social psychology of sport provides valuable insight into the complex interplay between individuals and their social environment in the context of sports, ultimately contributing to a more positive and effective sporting experience for all involved. So far, we discussed about psychology of sport. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.